Most electricians will know what this is. It's called a volt stick, and it's used to see whether there's voltage on any cables, equipment, or whatever else we're interested in, really. If I turn it on, we can see that it's just flashing gently away there. If I run it down a cable, it lights up. It tells me that that cable's live and it's got voltage on it. It's not the sort of tool you want to use for safe isolation, and most electricians laugh and say, I wouldn't use one of those things if my life depended on it. But it's still a useful tool, so, you know, please don't throw it away. It's quite useful. And the reason it's useful is that, take this metal bulkhead for instance. If I turn it on and pass this volt stick over it, the volt stick doesn't light up, but we know it's live. We know the energy's inside that piece of equipment. So I'll turn that off now for a second. It's useful for testing whether something's got an earth on it when you can't reach it. I've used this because it's easy for me to show you, but if that was up on the ceiling somewhere, all I would need to do was put this on the end of a pole, reach up, and if it didn't light up, there's a good chance that it's earthed. And just as a demonstration, I'll disconnect this earthing conductor to this light and we'll see what happens. I've disconnected the earth, the volt stick's still flashing away. If I turn it on, if I now wave this around the outside, with a bit of luck, it will light up, which really would indicate to me that that piece of equipment's not earthed. As I said, this is a very useful tool to use if you've got a piece of equipment that you want to investigate to see whether it's earthed and you can't reach it. It saves you scrambling around. If it doesn't light up, there's a very good chance it's got an earth. If it does light up, it certainly hasn't got an earth. So that would require further investigation.